That's fruitful girl. For real, that's real life. Niggas so dark in the motherfucking dark. Don't show up and we need to light the spark. Don't play games cause you know what got your heart. I snap it at the chest and rip your ass apart. Playing with these hoes, they gotta know the truth. When I step through the door, I'ma show proof that I'm 160. Come get me, fuck with me if you want, and them goons gon' be with me. Now we scratched at them good boys, these niggas got big toys, they make noise, and they let these niggas know that they won't take no shit from no bitch nigga. I came up a young nigga, never been a rich nigga, but I make these niggas run nigga. When I pull that trigger, let these niggas know what time it is. Me and OD came up since way back, you know what time it is. CG days to them 64 ways, and we used to get paid in about 35 ways now, probably even more, man. I used to slang pills, I mean them prescriptions, not even them X pills. I'm for real, what's the deal? You bitches gotta know. And that's where the freestyle gon' go, it's gon' stop. Right there, bitch.
Check out my D-boy sneaks, check out the way I play them. Unlace, relax, cause I can't stack all day. Hit the stash up, then flips tonight, we go in the play. You know how the shit do it, it's this club, that club. I'm finna just